Hi friends, today we are going to see how to delete your GoDaddy account permanently. For this, you have to visit the godaddy.com website and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. And using the username or the customer ID and the password, you can sign in to the GoDaddy account and see the list of products or services that you have already subscribed. Before you delete your account permanently, you have to make sure none of the products or services is actively involved in the account. For this, you have to either close or delete the products, or you have to transfer the products and services to the right account, backup accounts. In this account, you can see no domains or no products is subscribed. So it is empty. So what we have to do right now is to click on the drop down button at the top right corner, and you can find an option called account settings. So you have to click on the account setting option, which take you to the other page. And in this page, near the account settings, you find a drop down option. Click on the drop down option to see more options listed here. And in this options, there is an option called contact preferences. When you click on that, the contact preferences options are available here. And under privacy, you can see account option. When you click on that, it will take you to the account closure page. So you have to read the complete description and click on the checkbox. Once you click on the checkbox, your close account option will be enabled. And when you click on the close account, your account has been successfully deleted. And this GoDaddy will take you to the sign out page, and if it is not, then you can manually do it. So to recheck whether my account is properly deleted, I am going to sign in using the same credentials which I used earlier. So it should say that these credentials is incorrect. So I'm going to check that right now. I'm typing in, I'm clicking on sign in. So it's showing me your entered credentials is incorrect. So it means our account is successfully deleted. So before you delete any GoDaddy account, these three functions should be properly understood. One is, once you delete the account, you cannot request any refunds, and account closures can't be reversed. Once we delete the data and information, there's no way we can retrieve it. And before closing your account, as I said earlier, you have to make sure all the products and services are deleted. Hope this video helps. For such tips, you can subscribe to our channel and follow us.